Okay, let's start with data structure. Actually, data structure is the very important subject in the GATE exam. It approximately carries like 10 to 14 marks. I will tell you, it is carrying 10 to 14 marks. So uh, that's why it is very important subject in the GATE exam. So we have to study it very carefully. I will teach you every every concept of data structure, and we will solve every we will solve previous year gate questions also. Also some important questions also, 10, 15 to 100 question. Okay, okay. First, what is data structure? A data structure is nothing, it is a specialized format for organizing and storing data. So, what then? Data structure nothing, it is specialized format for organizing and storing data. So, I will not go for depth of data structure. What is the important from gate perspective? I will tell you. First, we will study programming in C. First, what we will study? First, we will study programming in C. In this, what we will study? We will study like different segment and their organization. Also, we will study variables. Variables we will study. Also, we will study scope of variables. In scope of variable, what we will study? Static scoping, dynamic scoping. Also, we will study operators. These are also important. Also, we will study like flow control concept. Like flow control, we will study if else, for loop, switch, while loop, do while loop. Also, we will study functions. In functions, what we will study? It is call by value, call by reference. Also, we will study pointers and applications of pointer. Also, from pointer, we will solve so many questions in next video. Also, I will teach you structure and unions. Also, strings. These are the concept I will teach you. I will only give you basic concept. I will not go for depth. You have to give, if I will give 60% or 80%, you have to give 20% effort. In this, in I, I will more focus on problem solving skill. Only I will teach you concept. I will not go on depth. Okay. So first, I will teach you programming in C. After that, I have divided recursion also in coming under programming in C, but I have written in separate because recursion is also important from programming perspective. Also in gate also recursion they are asking so many questions. So I have separated that recursion. So in this we will solve uh, 15 to 20 questions. 15 to 20 question I will solve in front of you. In next video I will come with problems how we can solve recursive questions. In third I will teach you arrays. This is also a very important subject. In arrays I will teach you like properties and application of array, accessing accessing, accessing methods for one dimensional one dimensional two dimensional and three dimensional arrays. Three dimensional arrays. Also, finally, we will also discuss the arrays in the form of special matrices, and also I will teach you array in the form of matrices. Okay. So array, what I will teach, like array initialization, array declaration, how to access one element in an array. Also I will teach you accessing methods for one dimensional array, two dimensional array, three dimensional array, and also I will teach you array in the form of matrices. In fourth, I will teach you stacks. This is also important. Here I will solve 30 to 40 question. Okay. Only I will teach you basic concept, and here I will more focus on problem solving, and we will solve all previous year question for data structure, everything bit by bit. I will solve every question, so don't take tension. I will solve every question. In stack, what we will study, what is stack, and also we'll study operations in stack. Operation in stack means push, pop, pick, all the thing I will teach you. Also I will teach you application of stack. Application of stack. In application of stack, what I will teach you, like infix to postfix, postfix to infix, evaluation of postfix evaluation. Also using stack, how will solve recursive problem, that also I will teach you. Also I will teach you average lifetime of a stack. Average average lifetime of a stack. Okay. And also we will discuss one more application of stack is like tower of Hanoi. Okay. In fifth, I will teach you queues. This is also important in data structure. Here also I will teach you like operation in queues. What is queue? After that I will teach operation in queues. In operation in queues, what I will enqueue, dequeue. Also different type of queue I will teach you. Different type of queues. Different types of queues. What is their priority queue? This thing, everything I will teach you. Also I will teach you applications. Applications of queues. In sixth, after that I will teach you linked list. Step by step we will go. First we will start with introduction to C, then we will solve recursive question, then we will solve arrays, then stack, then queue, then linked list. In linked list, what we will study, what is linked list, types of linked list, types types are doubly linked list, circular linked list, and also I will teach you operations. I will teach you. Okay, this thing we will solve also. Here also we will solve previous year gate questions. Also I will solve 15 to 20 more questions in front of you in next video. In seventh topic is like trees. Here I will do what is tree. I will give introduction of tree and applications, types of trees, types, types, BST, binary search tree, B tree, AVL tree. We'll we'll go through one by one for trees. Also, I will go through traversal of trees, traversals of. I will go through also traversal like in order, pre-order, post-order. Also, I will go through different operation. Finally, we will go through different operation on trees. Operations. And in last, I will teach you hashing. This is also important. Every year in from hashing, one question is coming. So it is also I will teach in last. I will teach you hashing. In this chapter, I will teach you first. We will introduce hash function. What is hashing? Yeah, I will introduction on hashing. Then hash function. What is hash function? This is also important. Then after hash function, I will teach you collision resolution technique. Collision resolution techniques. Okay, and we here I will solve like same all previous year gate question I will solve. Also, I will try to solve more 10 to 15 questions so that you will get clarity. So here I just gave you about an introduction. What I will teach you in which I will teach you first. See, data structure is very much important subject. It is carries 10 to 14 marks. So you have to give this priority. Every year in GATE exam, 10 to 14 mark is coming for in every year GATE exam. So you have to focus this subject very carefully. So program first we will go step by step. First we will study programming in C. In programming C, what I will teach you like variables, scope of variable, operators, flow control, you know, while loop, do while loop, break statement, switch, everything I will teach you. Functions, I will also teach you. Pointers, it is very much important. Pointer, structure union, strings. After that, I will teach you recursion. After that, I will teach you arrays. Arrays, I told you now. First, what is array? Array initialization, array declaration, how to access an element in an array, different accessing method for one dimensional, two dimensional, three dimensional arrays, arrays in the form of matrices. So everything I will teach you. Also, I will solve all previous year question for introduction to C program, recursion, arrays. I think there are 100 plus question previous year question. So I will try to solve that as much as question is possible. Also, I will solve 50 more question. from different perspective, from different concept. I will try to solve. So in fourth chapter, I will teach you stack operation in stack, application of stack, average lifetime of stack, tower of Hanoi. In the finally, this is the application of stack. I will teach you in the last. Queue also, I will teach you operation in queues, different types of queues, application of queues, linked list. Also in linked list is types. There are three different types. The different type like singly linked list, doubly linked list, circular linked list types. Also operation like insertion, deletion, reverse of linked list, everything. Here I will solve 10 to 15 questions also. All previous year question and more 10 15 question I will try to solve. Trees, I will teach you introduction to trees, application, types of tree like binary search tree, B tree, AVL tree. Uh, Here I will go very depth for BST, for B tree, AVL tree, traversal operation like in order, pre order, post order. It is very much important. Traversal operation and types. These three. Hashing. Hashing also I will give you introduction of hashing, hash function, collision resolution technique. So this much I will teach you. So in the next video I will start with introduction to C. So guys, please like and subscribe my channel so that uh, I will make more video and guide you perfectly for GATE exam. So guys, thank you. Bye.